In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Calendar to Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the left part is your menu list, and on top is a row where you can access other options for your account. On the left side of your screen, find the Collaborations button and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Locate Calendar and click on it. It will redirect you to your calendar board. On the upper right portion above your calendar, click on the Connect Calendar button. Click on the Google Calendar Connect button. It's the first option. Select the Google account linked to your Google Calendar, then click Continue. If you encounter an error, simply repeat the process. A pop-up will then confirm that you have successfully connected your Google Calendar to your Bitrix24 account. And that's how to connect Google Calendar to Bitrix24.